Hey guys, we're here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is an Audi Q8. And what we've done is we fully retrofitted in Android drop-down screen that's running full Android, and obviously gives you access to anything you want. So you can navigate the system using the remote, so the full wireless remote. It's like you get a little pointer on there, so as you can see, it's like a TV, so you pretty much point where you want to choose and it will pretty much play it. So you know, you got stuff like YouTube, Netflix, anything like that, you can have it showing on here. As you can see, it's beautifully fitted in there, so all the sound can come through the unit itself, or it can come through the main system, and you can pretty much watch what you want.